Guys, welcome back to Wabeli Concept TV. This is another installation in progress, and this is an Almond door design by Nigerian company in Nigeria, and is a massive door design. It is a steel door. It's good quality. The door is currently under installation. We are here first for the selection, and now the installation begins. Now we have about 4 feet and 3 feet door design. We have it in 6 inches block size and 9 inches block size. So the way this house is designed, the ground floor is constructed on the 9 inches block, while the upper floor is constructed with a 6 inches. So we selected the door for the 9 inches for the ground floor so that it will merge with the block size, and the one at the upstairs are all selected on 6 inches block size. So guys, this is just to show you that we are doing it the way it is. This is what the owner have selected. This is Almond Nigerian door, and this is what is on site. When you are installing this door, it comes with this key. This is the master key, this is the owner's key, while this is the boy key. So the difference between these keys is that it must not be open until you move into the apartment. This key must not be open, and this one can be used by anybody. But so immediately you insert this key in this lock, this one got damaged, it won't be functioning again. So we are here to install about 12 doors of the security steel door made by Nigerian company in Nigeria. So guys, this is Wabeli Concept TV. Let's move around and see the installation process, selection process, and also buying and selecting and transporting it to this place in Ogun State. Thank you guys. This project is located at Olomawewe in Ogun State, and we are to select doors, security doors for this amazing project. So this project is about 7 flats. There are 4 flats downstairs and there are about 3 flats upstairs. So the entrance here is this is the entrance to the room, to the first flat, and this is a 4 feet door with 9 inches blocks frame size, direction right. Okay, so we have another door here. This is I think this is the kitchen exit of the first flat, and we have the direction as right as well, because it has to open to the wall side. We have another door here opening. This is another 3 feet, direction right on 6 inches block size. 6 inches block size, direction right. The kitchen frame size is 9 inches. So we have another entrance here, which is direction left with 9 inches. The second flat here is 9 inches, and we have another flat here, which is another entrance to this apartment, and we have a 4 inches 4 feet block size, 4 feet door with 9 inches direction left. Someone they come. Wait.
3 feet. This 3 feet 9, meji 1 and 2. Then 3 feet 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have we have 6 feet. 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then lily maje 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Plumbing yẹn gangan ni major. Tó bá ti plumb, bàbá ní lucky. Plumb. Ẹjọ ẹ bá ń ṣí ẹtì. Ẹ jámọ̀ ẹ padà ká bá ń fi kíìtì. Kọ́tà fẹ́ kọ̀ǹfàmù náà ni.
Owó iṣẹ́ wa ni ká wá san bẹ́ẹ̀.
Dádì ni kò san owó iṣẹ́ yín.
Ẹ̀yin náà san owó iṣẹ́.
Màá